So today we are going to solve a question. It was asked in ICSE class 10th board 2015. Topic is section formula equation of line. And the question is three vertices of a parallelogram ABCD taken in order are A 3, 6, B 5, 10 and C 3, 2. Find 1. The coordinate of the fourth vertex, D 2. Length of the diagonal BD, and third, equation of side AB of the parallelogram ABCD. Now to solve this question, we have to use the property of parallelogram, which is that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So if ABCD is a parallelogram, then O is the bisector for diagonal AC as well as BD, and this is the property which we are going to use to get the coordinates of the fourth vertex. Okay, so let us quickly write. Coordinate of A is 3, 6, B is 5, 10, C is 3, 2 and D is unknown, so we can write it as XY. Okay, and this is what we need to find. So first thing which we need to say is, since O is midpoint of both AC and BD, so coordinates of O. So let us find coordinates of O. Now O is a midpoint of AC. So what is the midpoint formula? We find midpoint by using this: x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So we have A 3, 6 and C 3, 2. So what would be the coordinates of O? So it would be 3 plus 3 upon 2 and 6 plus 2 upon 2. Now 3 plus 3 is 6, divided by 2 gives us 3. 6 plus 2 is 8, divided by 2 gives us 4. So the coordinates of O is 3, 4. Now O is midpoint of BD also. So now what will we do? The coordinate 3 of O would be equal to 5 plus x over 2, and the coordinate of O, which is 4, that would be equal to y plus 10 over 2. So now we'll simply use cross multiplication. So 3 2s are 6 equals 5 plus x, which gives us x equals 6 minus 5, which is 1. And here we'll have 4 2s are 8 equals y plus 10, and then y equals 8 minus 10. So y equals minus 2. So coordinate of D, that was our first question. So coordinate of D is 1 minus 2. Okay, so this is how we solve the part 1. Now coming to the second part of the question, which is find the length of the diagonal BD, we are going to use the distance formula. And what is the distance formula? Distance formula, let us say I want to find BD. It should be equal to what? Square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay, we can take B as x1 y1 and D as x2 y2, or we can take D as x1 y1, B as x2 y2, really does not matter. So now the coordinate of D is 1 and minus 2. So BD would be equal to, so I will do 5 minus 1 square and plus 10 minus, and we have to be careful because this is a minus sign, so 10 minus minus 2 squared. Now 5 minus 1 gives us 4 and 4 square is 16. 10 minus minus 2, so minus and minus becomes plus 2, so 10 plus 2 is 12 and 12 square gives us 144. So length of BD is going to be 144 and 6 150, 160, root of 160, which can be written as 16 into 10 or 4 root 10. So that is the length of BD. Now the question is find the equation of side AB of the parallelogram. So we know the points AB. So for finding the equation of the line, what do we need? First we need the slope of line AB. And how do we find slope of line? Formula is slope of the line joining 2 points equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we can take B as x2 y2 and A as x1 y1, and really does not matter, we can interchange also, but we'll find the slope. So it would be 10 minus 6 upon 5 minus 3, which gives us 4 over 2. So slope of the line AB is 2. Now if we know the slope and we know points of the line through which the line passes, the equation of line formula is y minus y1 equals m, which is the slope of the line, into x minus x1. Now we can take point A or point B and put those values as x1 and y1 into this and get the answer. So if I take A as that point, so y minus 6 equals, now slope is found as 2 and x minus 3. So if you solve, so we'll get y minus 6 equals 2x minus 6. Minus 6 and minus 6 cancel each other out. So the equation of line is y equal 2x. Now, as I told you, we could have taken point B also to find the equation of line. So just for making the point clear, point B is 5 and 10. Okay, point B is given to us as 5 and 10. So if I substitute in this, what will happen? It would be y minus 10 equals m, which is 2 into x minus 5, and we will find that we will get the same equation, y minus 10 equals 2x minus 10. Now minus 10 cut each other and we get y equals 2x. Okay, so very good question, and it has been asked in boards, and mostly you will find that the questions which are 4 marker will test you for both section formula, midpoint, equation of line. So practice this one yourself, go through the solution and then try to do it yourself. Keep following the channel for more such solutions, and if you have got any questions where you are struggling to find the solution, you can ask me and I'll try to give the solution in a day or two. Thank you.